What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Fake Boujie. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys some really cute heels that I got from Vocosi. If you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and I hope you enjoy. But let's get right into it. Alright, so this is how the package was shipped to me in this really cute pink color. Packaging material. So I'm just gonna cut this off. So they emailed me and asked me to pick out a couple pair of heels. I chose from the options that they gave me. They did have some really cute heels on their website that I wanted to review to show you all, but they wanted me to pick from like specific heels. But yeah, they have like a lot, like a ton of cute stuff. Okay, so these are the two pair that I got. Vocosi. And comes with a little card. Oh, this is a cute bracelet. This is like my Louis Vuitton bracelet. It might be too dainty for my big old wrist. Okay, it actually fits. Okay, it has like a little gel insert for the heel. That's cute. Okay, and these are the heels. So let's get into this first pair. These are, y'all know, like orange is my favorite color. So obsessed. These are so cute, and I've really been into like heels with like a lower heel, like a shorter heel, just because I hate when my arch falls. But these are so cute. They're orange suede, and I'll have the name listed below of the shoe. And there will also be a link in the description box, as well as a discount code for you all. But yeah, these are so cute. Love them. These are very comfy. I don't think I'm going to need the inserts, but they are really comfy. I will say the strap right here isn't very giving. So just in case you have like wide feet at like the base of your foot where your toes are, this gives you a lot of room. So if you have wide ankles or wider ankles, you don't have anything to worry about. But I just love the suede material of them. These are so cute. And I gave them my true size, but these are like just a little small. So I'll say when you order from this brand, this company, go a size up. Which I tend to find that in like shoes that aren't manufactured in the US, like you always have to go a size up. I don't know why everybody just needs to have the same standard of measuring feet. Like, can everybody just go by like centimeters and actually stick to it? But yeah, because I swear like every brand I order from is different, whether it's a designer brand or like just any type of brand. But yeah, these are cute. Love them. And I feel like I can pair these with a couple different things. So even if I wanted to wear like a nude tan color, if I had if I wanted to do like block coloring, anything. And I love these. They're really cute for the summertime, even fall and spring. These are just super cute. Multi-purpose. They don't have to, like, you don't have to be getting like super dressed up to wear these, but if you are, they'll still look great. So love these. And I put these on with two different looks, like a day-to-day look and then like a going out sort of look. Y'all know I don't go out for real, but yeah. Still do a look every now and then. But yeah, super cute. And I love that it has a block heel. This, I'm so into like shorter heels and block heels just because I'm all about comfort right now. Like, I'm over being uncomfortable to look cute. I want to be comfy. And I want my feet to be comfy too. I'm not trying to, you know, like walk around looking crazy. So love these. So now let's get into the next pair. Same packaging and stuff. Oh, this one came with the insert, the little gel inserts too. And the gel is really soft. It feels really good. And another little, I think that's like a scent pack. This one came with extra studs for the heels, so these must be some high heels. And more comfort. Okay, I'm getting high heel vibes. Yeah, these are high. Okay. I'm scared of high heels. These are super cute. So I picked these just because they're nude. Y'all know I'm going through like a nude phase right now. And these are super cute. I love these. So they don't have the Vocosi logo on them like the other pair. Let me take the... And I love shoes. I just want to say this. I love when I order shoes and they come with the little dust bags. This is so important for when you travel with your shoes. If you don't want like any scuffs or scratches on them, please keep these and reuse them when you travel. Love, love, love these. So I ordered these. They gave me a 42, which is a size up. So let me see if these have a size on it. The orange ones. Yeah, these. Okay, so I knew something told me I want to size up. So I usually I'll get a 41 in heels. If y'all have watched my previous shoe haul videos from any other company or any review that I've done on any pair of shoes, I like to go a size up. I like to have a little bit of space in my shoes, heels, anything. I don't want it to like meet at the edge or right at the edge. I need a little room. So these they sent in a 9.5, which should have fit the way I wanted them to, but they were a little small. So I would go up like a full size. I usually get a 9. They sent me a 9.5. Like a 10 would have given me the room I was looking for. If you like your heels to fit like exactly like perfect, then you can get just half a size up from your true size. But I'd be scared I'm gonna have like a Toji moment if y'all watch Basketball Wives. So I like to go up a little bit. These, however, they sent in a 42. And these fit me, or is a 42 a 10? It's one of them. I think it's a 10 because these fit perfectly. So maybe these are a 41 and these are a 42. Yeah, these are a 10. 9.5, 10, 41, 42. And these fit me like exactly how I like it to fit because I do like a little room. And I just overall love it. Now, I will say I was scared of the heel. I don't like, and I believe these are like 4 inches. Let's measure. I keep my tape measure in my office for times such as these. Okay. So we go from the curve of the shoe to the base of the heel. So these are 4 inches. Okay. And I was terrified, but these are actually cool, especially when you put the, let me see. When you put these in it, and I already have some that I use, but I'm still going to try theirs too. But when you put this in the back right here, and like I said, my shoes have a little extra room, so I love using these. When you put this in, it stops your foot from sliding around if you like to go a little bit bigger like I do. So I usually don't buy closed-toe heels just because it's hard to make sure they fit right here. But that's why I've learned it's good to go, you know, a size up when you order heels just to make it a little more fitting and comfortable. But I do love these. I love that they're nude at the bottom too and on the inside, just a full nude. And because of that, you can wear these with anything. I will say the only negative thing I can say about the brand is that they didn't give me like a purchase card. Like, you know, usually companies give you a little card that says like what you ordered, what size you ordered it in, how much it costs, like stuff like that. It didn't include one of those, but that's completely fine. I'll still have the information listed in this video for y'all as well as in the description box below. The shipping wasn't bad at all. I think from the time they shipped it out until I received it, it was only about like 10 days or less. But yeah, got the shoes pretty quickly, especially because they're shipping from overseas. and I do love them. I love the fit. Even though I wish these were like a half size bigger, they are still comfortable. That's all honestly that matters to me. And that's why, like, I do go a size up, so even when it's a little too small, it's not, you know, too small. So yeah, love these. Are probably my favorite out of the two. My favorite color is orange, but these are probably my favorite. Yeah, love these. Y'all, they had so many different colors with this. They had some with the Louboutin looks, like different Louboutin style heels. They have like so many shoes on their website, and all of them are like super cute. So make sure y'all check that out. Discount code listed below in the description box, and I'll have it right up here for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you all have any questions for me, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias listed below. And as always, stay bougie.